The Springfield Rail Improvements Project is a 6-mile railroad corridor along the 10th Street Rail Corridor through Springfield, Illinois that will provide 2 sets of tracks for both the Union Pacific and Norfolk Southern railroads. The project includes 6 new underpasses along the 10th Street corridor and 2 new underpasses and 1 overpass on the 19th Street Canadian National Rail corridor. There will also be railroad bridges replaced at 4 existing underpass locations, including 5th and 6th Streets and at South Grand Avenue and Cook Street. The flight begins at the southern terminus of the project at Stanford Avenue and proceeds north to the northern terminus of the project near Sangamon Avenue. Beginning at the southern terminus of Stanford Avenue, the corridor extends north to the Union Pacific-Norfolk Southern divergence. The Union Pacific tracks, along with Amtrak, continue north along 3rd Street, and the Norfolk Southern tracks curve to the east, then continue north along the 10th Street corridor. Usable Segment 4 construction began in the fall of 2019 and was completed in early October of 2022. This segment includes 2 new bridges for both the Union Pacific and Norfolk Southern trains over 5th and 6th Streets. The Norfolk Southern is currently constructing a second track within this segment. It's anticipated the second track will be completed in the fall of 2022. Usable Segment 2 extends from 6th Street to South Grand Avenue and includes 2 new underpasses at Ash Street and Laurel Street. The Ash Street underpass construction began in the fall of 2017 and was completed in November 2019. The Laurel Street underpass began construction in the fall of 2019 and was completed on September 20, 2021 and opened to traffic. The sub-ballast grading for the Norfolk Southern track bed is complete from Ash Street to South Grand Avenue. Usable Segment 5 extends from South Grand Avenue to Capitol Avenue and includes bridge replacements similar to the 5th and 6th Street bridges at South Grand Avenue and Cook Street. Construction began in July of 2021 and is anticipated to be completed in 2023. The Norfolk Southern Bridge over South Grand Avenue is complete. The contractor is completing retaining wall work along South Grand Avenue. The sub-ballast has been placed and compacted for the Norfolk Southern Rail Corridor from South Grand Avenue to Capitol Avenue. The Norfolk Southern is expected to begin track construction for Usable Segment 5 and have the tracks shifted to the new track alignment by the end of 2022. Usable Segment 3 extends from Capitol Avenue to Madison Street and includes 2 new underpasses at Madison and Jefferson Streets and the construction of the new Springfield-Sangamon County Transportation Center. Capitol Avenue is currently under construction and is expected to be completed in the fall of 2022. A jack and bore operation for a new sewer is currently underway at Monroe Street. The new SMTD transfer facility will be on the east side of the tracks, and the new Amtrak station and parking garage will be located on the west side of the tracks, with a pedestrian bridge connecting the 2 facilities. The parking lot for the bus transfer facility is completed. Transportation Center construction began in August 2021 for the SMTD transfer station and will be completed in early 2023. Construction for the Amtrak station and parking garage will begin in mid-2023 and will be completed in 2025. Usable Segment 3 construction has begun with a completion date targeted in late 2024. Both underpasses at Madison and Jefferson Streets will be constructed at the same time during a 14-month closure of Madison and Jefferson between 9th and 11th, starting in April of 2023. Usable Segment 1 extends from Madison Street to Carpenter Street and included a new underpass at Carpenter Street. The 1908 Race Riot archaeological site was discovered in this segment. The Carpenter Street underpass construction began in the summer of 2014 and was completed on time and under budget in the summer of 2016. Usable Segment 6 extends from Carpenter Street to Ridgely Avenue and includes a new underpass at North Grand Avenue. The Union Pacific tracks and Amtrak continue north to Chicago, and the Norfolk Southern tracks continue east towards Decatur. This segment includes a new railroad corridor from Phillips Street to Ridgely Avenue, with construction scheduled to begin in late 2023 and a completion date in late 2025. The new underpass at North Grand Avenue includes a bridge for the Union Pacific Railroad. An overpass carrying North Grand Avenue over the Norfolk Southern and Illinois and Midland Railroad near Robin Roberts Stadium will also be constructed as part of Usable Segment 6. The rail corridor will bisect the EPA building along North Grand Avenue. The rail corridor will continue north immediately east of the Bingo Hall. The northern terminus of this segment is at the existing Union Pacific tracks north of Ridgely Avenue near Sangamon Avenue. After Usable Segment 6 is complete, the Union Pacific and Amtrak will begin operating their trains along the new 10th Street Rail Corridor in late 2025.